In this tutorial, I will tell you that how you can use the offset formula. I have this table in the Excel, and for offset formula, I want to select the sales of any one of them in the month. For this, I can write here is equal to offset, and then here I will select the reference for offset formula. If you use the offset formula in this, you can, if you give the reference, then this is your reference, then again comma, and what is the rows. If I want to select the value of Hassan, so I will count from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the row is I think 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For Hassan, I will select here 4, again comma, and then it shows select the columns. And if I want the sales of Hassan in March, so I will select here 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I will write here 3, and again parenthesis closed. So if I see from here, in March the sales of Hassan is 200, so here it's 200, and again I want to select the sales of Waqas. For this, I can again use the formula of offset, parenthesis starts, and again I give this reference, then again comma, and for Waqas I want to select first the rows 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth row 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Waqas is on 5, again comma, and I want to select the sales of May of Waqas. So I will select the column again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sales of May, again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we will select 5, and then parenthesis closed. Have you seen? I have selected the sales of Waqas in May, so it's 200. In this way, you can use the formula of offset in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe this channel for more videos of Excel. You can also see my playlist of Excel on my channel. Thanks.